Hey guys, it's Mr. Morrison. I just want to say, hey, it's only a couple weeks until our winter break. So what we're going to do today is we're going to spend some more time reviewing. Monday and Tuesday, we're going to try to review every week. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, pound out new stuff that you guys are learning because that's when we normally have our math or math groups. So right now, we're going to look at order of operations. And if you remember order of operations, the letters PEMDAS. Parentheses are first, parentheses and brackets, and braces. I understand braces and brackets starts with a B, and not a P. I understand that. And that's why, again, some people call it BEMDAS. Depends on the brackets. But again, parentheses is what most people in the United States call them. But again, if it's a parenthesis, bracket, or a brace, it's always done first. And you always go like in words. So we may see some of those. Then exponents, remember, those are like the little twos are floating in the air. And that like 2 to the second power does not mean 2 times 2 technically. It means 2 times 2, which just happens before. But like 3 squared is not just 3 times 2, it's 3 times 3 because it's 2 times, okay? And then we got multiplication and division. Remember, that's left to right. Multiplication is not more powerful than division. Multiplication and division are equal partners. They just go from left to right. And then addition and subtraction, left to right. Remember, they're equal partners. So addition and subtraction are the same. It just goes left to right. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at a couple problems today. So automatically, if you're watching this video, you are guaranteed to get at least 3 problems right. 3. That's our goal. Is again, if you get at least 3 right, it's better than a 0. So again, at any time, you need to stop, pause, and be like, hey, I wonder what Mr. Morrison's doing. Send us a message. Send Ms. Dyer, send Ms. Marishi. We're all here to help you. So let's scroll down this and let's get this knocked out because I want to get at least a 3. And is that still good? That's not great, but it's better than a 0. And if you're watching this, you're guaranteed at least a 3. So let's see. So number 1, so you got to read these. So number 1, and sometimes they're not going to go because there's actually 3 sets. There's basic level, and then there's a little bit harder level, and then there's the challenge level. Right now, Mr. Morrison doesn't know if you guys are ready for the challenge level, so you got to prove to me. If you do really well at this, we'll start giving you some more challenging work. But right now, you got to prove it. You got to show up. All right. So it says study the expression below. 10 times 1 plus 3. Okay. What is the purpose of the parentheses in the expression? They make them look good just like my little bow, you know. It's just there to make it look good, right? No, it's not. So it says they show what to solve first in the problem. That sounds pretty good. They show what to solve in the middle of the problem. Does that make any sense? They show what to solve last in the problem. What? What does that even mean? What's wrong? They group all the odd numbers together. Maybe in this case they do because 1 and 3 are odd. So it's either A or D. But why would we? Did Ms. Dyer or Ms. Mauricio or Mr. Morrison teach us to put parentheses just around odd numbers? No, that doesn't make sense. So A or D, they show what to do first. Because remember, PEMDAS parentheses, exponents, multiplication, and division, and then addition and subtraction. So they show us what we need to do first. Easy, Mr. Morrison. Easy breezy. So, and I got a check mark. Yes. All right, number 2. Study the number expression below. Okay, that means we don't actually have to solve expressions. We don't solve equations. We do. How will you interpret the number expression? Okay, this is going to be a little challenging. It's good. 8 minus 6 are in parentheses, times it by 2. So it's probably going to say something about a difference. The difference between 8 and 6 times 2, 2 times the difference of 8 minus 6. So let's see. Subtract 8 from the product of 6 and 2. No, because that means 6 times 2. So I don't like that one. Multiply 8 by 2, then subtract 6 from the product. No, because the parentheses 8 minus 6 have to be first. Let's see. Multiply 6 and 2, and then subtract the product from 8. No. Subtract 6 from 8. Ooh, then multiply the difference. Goodness, it's D, guys. Let's see if we get it right. I think it's D. Yes, we got it right. It's okay. Good job. All right. Ooh, this is going to be hard. Which one of the following number expressions shows where You are required to add 1 and 2 first when solving the problem. 1 plus 2 times 3, definitely, right? No, because we got to remember, multiplication and division come first over addition and subtraction. So you would actually do 2 times 3. So no, that's not right. 1 plus 2 is in parentheses. Parentheses always come first, times 3. Okay. I like that one. 3 times 1 plus 2. No, because remember, multiplication and division would come first. So that would be 3 times 1. So no. And 3 times 1, that's in parentheses. So you would do that one first. So I think the answer is B. What do you guys think? Yeah, you think it's B? Let's check. Yes, we got it right. So again, guys, you are guaranteed at least a 3 today if you watch this video. And again, I hope you are watching these. And remember, you can always go back to your interactive notebook in your classroom to check this out. And again, I hope to hear from you guys soon. Hopefully, I see a lot of 10 out of 10s because I know some of you guys want some more challenging work. So get a 10 out of 10 or 9 out of 10, and I'll make sure Ms. Dyer, Ms. Marishi, or myself can give you more of a challenging problem probably next week. Okay, so let me know. Prove it to me.